In today's lesson, we're going to be looking at scatter plots and lines of best fit of those scatter plots. So in this first example, it says students in Mr. Rivera's class wanted to see if there's an association between the number of siblings a student has and the first cousins she or he has. They asked 12 students in the class and found the following. So they have that data set down there. Create a scatter plot of this data set in the grid. So 2, 5, we're going to graph. Let me make this a little smaller so I can graph this. 2, 5, 6, 10, right 6, up 10. 3, 8, right 3, up 8. Right 2, up 7. Right 5, up 11. Right 3, up 7. Did I do that already? Nope. Up right here. Right 4, up 8. Right 7, up 14. Right 3, up 5. Right 1, up 4. And right 6, up 2. And right 1, up 3. Does the number of cousins tend to increase as the number of siblings increase? Well, if you look at the general trend of these blue dots, yes, they do. Yes, they increase. Do any of the data points on the coordinate plane appear to be outliers? Yeah, I would say this one right here. That's an outlier, 6, 2. It's away from the bulk of the data. So ignoring that outlier, using a ruler to draw a line of best fit. I'm gonna try to draw a straight line. I'm not gonna promise it's gonna look good. Here we go. All right, there's my straight line. Is the slope of the line of best fit positive or negative? I would say this is definitely positive. And how does this relate to your answer in part B? Because the trend is increasing. So the nearest whole number, what does the y-intercept appear to be? Well, I kind of drew it since my line wasn't straight, but it appears to be, at this point right here, 2. So what does that tell you? People with no siblings, okay, or they asked 12 students. So that means that students with no siblings tend to have how many? Two cousins. Okay. So that was an example of something that has a positive association. The next one, what you're going to do is going to have one with a negative association, and you're going to have to interpret that information. So again, important to be able to graph and see the trend of the data by looking at the points and what direction they go. So go ahead and work on the next few examples, and if you have questions in class, please let me know. All right, thank you for watching today's video.